In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Zoho CRM. We'll go through the process in a simple, clear way, so you can quickly save important information inside a lead record and keep your CRM organized. Notes are useful for tracking conversations, reminders, updates, and any extra details you want to keep attached to a specific contact or lead. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly so you can easily navigate through the menu options. Next, go to the Leads section. This is where you'll find the list of leads stored in your CRM. From here, locate the specific lead you want to update. If you have many leads in your account, it may help to scan the list carefully or use the search tools available in Zoho CRM to find the correct record faster. It's always a good idea to confirm that you're opening the right lead before adding any information, especially if you're working with multiple similar entries. Once you've found the correct lead, click on it to open the full record. This will take you to the detailed view, where you can see the lead's information, activity, and related sections. In this area, look for the Notes option and click on it. The Notes section is designed to help you store extra written details that may not fit into the standard fields of the CRM. After opening the Notes area, you can go ahead and add your note. Type in the information you want to save. Try to keep your note clear and specific, so it will be easy to understand later. For example, you may want to include a short summary of a recent conversation, an update about the lead's status, or any relevant follow-up details. Writing notes in a consistent style can make your records much easier to review over time. When you're done entering the note, click Send to save it. Once saved, the note will stay attached to that lead record, making it easy to revisit whenever you need it. That's all it takes to add notes in Zoho CRM. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your sales process organized and making sure important details don't get lost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.